Look at SharperTrades. A good start to the week. The S&P 500 moving higher today, back above the 200 simple moving average, primarily a result of the tariffs not being, not at least the appearance that they're not going to be as bad or as feared as expected. We have now this volatility, and it's going to be like that. That's the kind of energy that this administration brings all over the place at some point, occasionally. And so I expect challenges of moving forward, but at the moment, the move is positive, back above the 200 simple moving average. Resistance is 590, 578, 89, and then 586, possibly the 50 SMA runs up there. Support 200 SMA, 562 and 555. GME, keeping on this one, is moving up, it's testing out the 50 simple moving average. There's some volume, option flow seems to be coming in. 28 and 31 are the targets. Support is the 200 SMA and the 80 SMA. RKLB, I like this base. Today initiate the swing, and dark pool activities in this area around 1850. My targets, the targets are 2250, 2550, and 2850. Now let's give a target of 28. Support, we have 19 and 18, volatile. RR broke above the 50 simple moving average, 280, 350, and 450. Support is today low and 220. And finally, TTD, this one was discussed last week again. Susan brought it to our attention. We covered it. And then they're making a move. The volume is good, coming in nice and steady, 61, 65, 70, and 75. Today low is the primary support, and then 54. So 56 and 54. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets, and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000, available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section, and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1, or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.